Is it the right time to make a decision on NIO stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into NIO. We initially released a report on our website on Friday, October 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 12, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate with a score of -4.71. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has experienced a loss of -11.85%. This means that on average, it has been losing about -0.99% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye on a possible breakup at the top trend line at $7.66, as it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -47.73% change expected over the next 3 months. This means the stock could reach a return between -59.77% and -46.20% during this period. If we consider the 12-month trend, there is a projected -8.28% change over the next 12 months. This suggests a potential return between -16.51% and 86.55%. In other words, the stock price could range from $6.21 to $13.88 after a year. Our latest update on NIO brings a headline, Red Day on Friday for NIO. On the last trading day, which was Friday, October 27, 2023, the NIO stock price experienced a decrease of 2.49%, dropping from $7.63 to $7.44. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $7.39 and a high of $7.81, with a 5.75% fluctuation range. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 12.16% in the stock price, which has been constantly changing. On the last day, the trading volume increased by 8 million shares, but the prices were falling. This might be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 33 million shares were bought and sold for a total value of $242.59 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. Currently, the stock price is 54.02% lower than its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $8.74. Furthermore, it is also 88.89% lower than the all-time high of $66.99, which was reached on January 11, 2021. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS rated NIO as neutral with a hold action. On Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup rated NIO as buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan rated NIO as neutral with a downgrade action. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory rated NIO as neutral with a downgrade action. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup rated NIO as hold with a hold action. Analysts have generally rated NIO stock as a buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals indicating the current state of NIO stock. Unfortunately, there are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences any upward corrections, there will likely be resistance at $7.66 and $8.71. However, if either of these levels is surpassed, it could issue buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -17.06% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It is recommended to keep a closer eye on the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average signaled a sell 56 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Today, NIO's stock faces a challenging situation. There is no significant support from accumulated volume at its current level, which means it may perform poorly in the coming days. When it comes to trading, this stock has moderate risk due to its average movements throughout the day and good trading volume. Looking at recent data, the stock had a price difference of $0.425 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 5.75% change. Over the past week, its average daily volatility was 5.1%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for NIO, let's begin by exploring some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio suggests that the company either has negative earnings or is currently facing financial losses. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns due to external factors. However, a consistently negative PE ratio may indicate inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2023 is scheduled for November 8, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at a value of $-0.430. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for NIO. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for NIO, which is currently at $8.55. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below the current price. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, you may want to proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Unfortunately, NIO holds several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and falling trend. As a result, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. We maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, October 30th, we anticipate NIO to open up by $0.105 and commence trading at $7.55. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current state of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in and explore together. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.